Tired of trying everything and still failing? Maybe it's time to let go, and let Allah handle it.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُتَوَكِّلِينَ.
Indeed, Allah loves those who rely upon Him. You've planned, prayed, worked hard, but things still aren't going your way. It's frustrating. It's heavy. But here's your answer. Indeed, Allah loves those who rely upon Him. Tawakkul isn't giving up. It's giving it to Allah. It means doing your part, and then leaving the outcome to the one who knows what's best. When you rely on people, they may disappoint. But when you rely on Allah, He responds with love, ease, and something even better than what you imagined. If Allah loves those who rely on Him, then what could you possibly lose? Comment, Tawakkul, if you're ready to put it all in Allah's hands. Share this with someone feeling overwhelmed. Follow for more divine strategies from the Quran.